Hi, this is Steve with SublimationInkUSA.com. I have a 1430 Sublimation ink cartridge, and this is the way you will receive your cartridge in your package. And what you will do to prepare the cartridge for installation into your printer is simply remove this air vent plug right here. And it's generally pretty easy to figure out which one is the air vent plug versus the ink fill plug. This is the ink fill here. This would be the air vent here, and you can see on the side of the cartridge there is no ink in this portion. This should never have ink. If it does have ink, it's not a problem, but certainly you can see there is a differential between this portion of the cartridge and then this part that has nothing in it. So what you would do is simply remove this plug to allow atmospheric air into the cartridge. And also, by the way, if you're not sure, the easiest way to ascertain whether this is the vent versus this is the fill, if you're not sure, is simply remove both plugs and then insert a toothpick into the two holes. The shallow hole is always going to be the vent hole. The deep hole is going to be the ink fill hole. The ink fill plug must always remain on or in the cartridge at all times except for refilling. This one here, the vent hole, must be left open and exposed to the air when it's installed in the printer. If it is not left open and installed and vented to the atmospheric air outside around the printer simply will not work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and prime the cartridge. And to prime, all I'm going to do is take this provided syringe and I'm going to insert it into the exit point down here in the bottom of the cartridge by simply taking the tip, the plastic tip, and then forcefully pushing it into the cartridge all the way up as far as it goes. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tip the syringe just a little tiny bit. You don't want to go very much, otherwise you're going to displace the check ball inside. And you can see there is ink already flowing into the syringe, so that is, this cartridge is now ready to be installed in the printer. You have a little tiny bit of ink. If you want to place that back into the fill hole, you can, or if you have an ink bottle, you can drop it back in the ink bottle. Otherwise, this cartridge is now ready to be installed. You can purchase our inks at our website at SublimationInkUSA.com. That's SublimationInkUSA.com, and we have all the different sublimation products and inks that you need to do sublimation work, and we'd love to see you as a customer. So thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.